You can as well play these other common choruses again with simple 3 chords. Let's go. We go the hey, hey on hey, day by day, every day, we go the hey, we go the hey, hey, hey on hey, day by day, every day, we go the hey, hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube, ebube dike. Everybody hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube, ebube di. Everybody hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube, ebube dike. Everybody hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube, ebube di. Everybody hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube, ebube dike. Everybody hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube di. Everybody hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube, ebube dike. Everybody hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube, ebube dike. As you can see, I'm only using the simple 3 chords, do, fa, and so, just for these general choruses that are commonly played in churches today. You can simply learn these simple 3 chords and play the organ, the piano, anywhere you are. Let's take it again. We go the hey, hey, hey on hey, day by day, all the way, all the way. We go the hey, we go the hey, hey, hey on hey, day by day, all the way, all the way. We go the hey. Everybody hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube, ebube dike. Everybody hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube, ebube dike. Everybody hey my Jesus, ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba 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 ba, do. Sing, everybody hey my Jesus, so so so, so so so, so 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 so, do. Everybody hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube dike. The keys I'm using is ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba do. So so so, so so so, so so so, do. Ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba do. So so so, so so so, so so so, so do. Let's sing. Everybody hey my Jesus, ebube, ebube, ebube dike. 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 So you can see with these simple chords, you can play as many choruses as you wish. Alright, if you have not watched our previous video to learn how to begin to play with the common chords, with the simple chords, please do well to watch those videos and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video. Bye for now.